When I was a child, I always had a fascination for keeping my own sewing box, usually a nice cookie box, which I found at home. My mother loved sewing, and I loved looking into every little detail when she's sewing. She shared all these tiny magics to fill my sewing box, from the needle to colorful threads, buttons, lace, ribbons, and I love the tracing wheel, even though it's not very useful for me. My mother allowed me the sewing machine as soon as my legs were long enough to pedal, and I loved the process of putting threads and fitting bobbins and trying out different stitches. There was a time that I loved creating my own fabric dolls and stuffed animals, and I still love this process, which needs a lot of patience and concentration. And it's really satisfying when you can create something that you imagined. I loved the school holidays because I had more time engaging in my creative experiments, be with the nature, and have my own time. And the best part was going to see my grandparents, and I never got fed up with the beautiful train journey with the sea scent through the coastal line. And after a hard decision, one of my dollies get the chance to enjoy the journey with me. I was keen on packing a small bag for her with some dolly clothes, and I never forget to promise others that they will be going out soon next time. was rain throughout the days and was filled with gloominess, and my days were mostly spent at home. I love to watch rain, and sometimes I like to concentrate on some work when the days are dark and gloomy. When there is darkness throughout the days, I like to do something to sparkle my day. I wish you all have a wonderful and a lovely week.